Hello guys, and welcome to another video on XrmTypeFast series. So in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to delete a record using XrmTypeFast. Okay, so there's nothing special. It's just let's create an account. Let's call it to be deleted. Yeah. And I'm going to copy the GUID of the record, and again it is going to return a promise of a boolean, so we're going to wait for that promise until it be completely resolved. XrmClientService.delete, and it's asking for the entity name, which is in fact account.logicalName. Account.logicalName, and a GUID, which is going to be the GUID of the record, and let's add a value. Okay, npm run-script build. So we copy in fact the index.js file and paste it in the web resource. Cool. Save and publish. So I'm going to open the DevTools. It's okay. So now the flag is set to true, okay, and the record must have been deleted. So I refresh the record, and there it is. Record is unavailable. So that's done. Thank you so much for staying with us. See you soon.